بهيدا الفيديو رح نشوف two experiments. أول experiment هي to separate هي simple distillation used to separate a homogeneous liquid of solid a homogeneous mixture of solid liquid. رح ننقي salt water. Salt dissolves in water so it makes a homogeneous mixture يعني of one phase. ما شايفين two phases, one phase. What will happen? We are going to heat this salt and water mixture. هلا هون ما حاطين ترمومتر، هو لازم نحط ترمومتر بعدين. هلا بالاكسبيرمنت التاني بتشوفوا شو أهمية الترمومتر. The salt and water reaches the boiling temperature. The water اللي هو liquid becomes changed into gas أو water vapor أو steam يعني water vapor. The water vapor comes up and reaches the condenser. طبعا this water vapor is very hot. It reaches the condenser and the condenser is very cold. So this water vapor will change into liquid again. into liquid طبعا liquid water liquid. طيب لوين بده ينزل الليكويد شايفين لانه حاطين الكوندنسر نزول، فالليكويد طبيعي بده ينزل ويوصل على هيدا البيكر. At the end of the experiment what happens? All the water that was mixed with the salt becomes transferred into this Erlenmeyer flask. هون حاطين بيكر لازم نحطوا Erlenmeyer flask, and the salt remains at the bottom of the round flask. طبعا قد ما نسخنه للسولت we cannot make it evaporate لأنه solid does not evaporate, only the liquid evaporate. So the salt will remain in the bottom flask and the round flask, and the water is obtained at the end of the experiment. The water liquid is called distillate because it is the liquid obtained due to the distillation apparatus. هيدي أول experiment حبيت تشوفوها. طيب تاني experiment هي when we have two miscible liquids and we want to separate them. Look at this experiment. We have two liquids A and B. We are going to mix them. حتى تفرقوا بيناتهم لون لكم ال A بالأحمر وال B بالأصفر، بس both of them are liquids. A is water and B is alcohol. And because you know that every substance has a specific boiling temperature, we know that the boiling temperature of water is different from the boiling temperature of alcohol. I will give you the boiling temperatures, but at first look at them. هنخلطهم لهيدول substance A with substance B. They are liquid. I will give you the boiling temperature. Sorry, it's not water. A is alcohol, B is water. A has a boiling temperature 70 degrees Celsius, while B has a boiling temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, we mixed them. They have different boiling temperatures since they are different substance. Look what happens and how we can separate miscible liquids from each other using the simple distillation. Look, they are miscible liquids because they made a one-phase homogeneous mixture. طيب, we started heating this homogeneous mixture composed of A and B, and we are reading the temperature by the thermometer. The thermometer allows us to read the temperature. When the temperature reaches هلا طبيعي يا مس نحن التمبريتشر بتبلش تعلى شوي شوي، مثلا لنقول من درجة حرارة الغرفة لنقول 21 بتبلش تعلى 30 40 50 60 توصل على 70 قبل 100 أكيد. فإجباري substance A لأنه وصلت على 70 قبل، وصلت التمبريتشر على 70 قبل، إجباري substance A رح تعمل boiling قبل substance B. Substance A starts to boil when the temperature reaches 70 degrees because we are heating it. It becomes it reaches the boiling point, it starts to evaporate. يعني the liquid A changes into gas. This gas flows up and reaches the condenser. this hot gas reaches the cold condenser, so it will become changed into liquid again. The liquid A will pass through the condenser and goes into the Erlenmeyer flask to be collected there. هون مسميها receiving flask، فينا نقول Erlenmeyer flask. This is the substance A. It's condensing in the condenser. The liquid A now becomes collected in the Erlenmeyer flask. At the end of the experiment, all of the substance A is collected in the Erlenmeyer flask, and there is no substance A in the round flask. So we will obtain substance A here, it's a distillate, and the substance B here. They are separated, and this is the method to separate a liquid homogeneous mixture. هلا شو فيني اعمل؟ ممكن خليهم they are separated now، ممكن قيم هيدا الإيرلنمير فلاسك على جنب وحط محله واحد جديد وكمل البويلينج لما توصل temperature على 100 degrees. ببلش substance B تعمل boiling وتطلع الغاز لفوق توصل على الكوندنسر. انا حطيت إيرلنمير فلاسك جديد ورح جمع substance B بإيرلنمير فلاسك جديد، وفيني اتركون كل واحد لحال they are separated. اوكي، بدي منكم هلا تعرفولي كمان انه the distillation depends on which physical property. It depends upon boiling temperature. It depends upon boiling temperature. اوكي، هيدي كانت كل شي بدي منكم تعرفوه.